Hello, third graders. It's Mrs. Shea. So this week we're going to be learning about measurement. Our first lesson is about meters and centimeters. So I want you guys to get out your rulers. And on your ruler, you'll see a little marking called cm. Cm stands for centimeter. So centimeters and meters are commonly used together. They're used to measure common things like a door, whiteboard, smaller surfaces, maybe your desk or a book, a textbook that you have. So we're going to be doing some problems with this measurement. So this is a centimeter, just for a visual. It's tiny, teeny tiny up here. You can barely see it. This long line you see is a meter. So this is how much smaller a centimeter is than a meter. And in fact, 1 meter, so one of these, is going to need 100 of these centimeters. So 100 centimeters goes to make up 1 meter. So if you remember 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, you'll be able to get these problems with little to no effort. So we're going to be doing one problem together. We're going to be talking about height. So Joe's height is 1 meter and 25 centimeters. Well, we need to know how tall Joe is with measuring just with centimeters. So if we need to convert this to centimeters, we already know he's 25 centimeters tall, but he's also 1 meter tall. Well, 1 meter, we know, equals 100 centimeters. So we can do 100 plus the 25 centimeters, which gives us 125 centimeters tall. So now we know Joe is 125 centimeters tall. All right, let's do another problem. Let's convert meters to centimeters, or centimeters to meters, excuse me. So if we have 300 centimeters, we need to find out how many meters. Well, we know 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So we're going to actually divide this by 3. Or, excuse me, an easier way to do it would be to divide it by 100, because 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So 100 times what equals 300? 3. So 300 centimeters is equivalent to 3 meters. Next, we're going to measure the distance of a jump. David's long jump results in 1 meter, 45 centimeters. We need to write this distance in centimeters. He jumps 1 meter and 45 centimeters. How long does he jump in centimeters? Well, 1 meter, again, equals 100 centimeters, plus a 45 equals 145 centimeters. So that's your answer. So you can convert back and forth using the rule 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. As long as you do that, you should not have a problem. One more thing that I need you guys to know is how to find the value of subtracting meters and centimeters together. So we're going to do one more problem. So 100 centimeters minus 35 centimeters. Well, we already know this. We don't have to convert anything. 100 minus 35. We borrow. Make that a 9. Make that a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. So this would be 65. But if we were doing something different, we might say 1 meter minus 35 centimeters. So we have to convert this meter into centimeters. So 1 meter is equivalent to 100. So we would do 100 centimeters minus 35 centimeters. Well, we already did that, so then we know 100 minus 35 is 65. So it's just another way to do it. So you want to convert those numbers using this key. Thanks for listening to this first lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that you are able to finish your first couple of pages with no problem. Thank you.